Evaluate this expression. The first thing you notice that the three angles given are the same in each of the terms. Check 73.20 and 30.5. So what I will do, I will factorize by grouping, since I have 4 terms. So what is common in the first 2 terms? See, that is sine 73. So if I factor sine 73, I will be left with cos 20 cos 30.5. That's for the first one, minus sine 20 sine 30.5. So factorize this. Looking at the second one, since both of them have minus, we'll factor minus which trig function, which is common, cos 73. So we'll factor minus cos 73. So we're left with sine 20 cos 30.5 plus cos 20 sine 30.5. And looking at this, I'm seeing cos, sine. So this, okay, let's repeat sine 73. So this will shrink to cos, to reduce to cos. Since I have minus here, I have 20 plus 30.5. Yes, that's addition formula for cosine. Why this? Will repeat this, cos minus cos 73. So I have sine cos sine. So this will reduce to sine 20 plus 30.5. Yes, what I did, I used this identity, that's sine A plus or minus B. If you could remember this, sine A cos B plus or minus cos A sine B, and cos A plus or minus B will now be cos A cos B minus plus sine A sine B. So that's what I use. So that's why it's this and this. Check, compare, you see what I did. So here we still have sine cos, sine of this angle, cosine of that, minus cos sine. So we still use I have sine cos sine. So I have, since I have minus is minus, so I have sine. The first angle is 73 minus the second angle is 20 plus 30.5. So our A is 73, YB is this 20 plus 30.5. And you see that this will reduce to, this is 73 minus 50.5 is 22.5. So this will reduce to sine 22.5. And we'll still have to use another identity. This is equal to square root of, since 22 is in first quadrant, sine is positive, square root of 1 minus cos 45 over 2. Yes, so we're bringing a lot of identities here. So what did I do? I used this double angle identity for cosine, that cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared x. If you could remember this. So if we now make sine x the subject of formula, you see that we have square root of 1 minus cos 2x over 2. So plus or minus, it depends on the angle. Where sine is positive, I think we have first and second quadrant. So negative is third and fourth. So it depending. So that's why we use positive, because 22.5 is in first quadrant. So have you seen that 2 times 22.5 is 45 degrees? Because looking at the options, we have something like this. So that's why I had to bring in this. So always solve with option in OBJ to guide your solution. So I have square root of 1 minus cos 45 is root 2 over 2. That's the numerator, over 2 the denominator. So to clear the fraction, I'll multiply the LCM is 2. So multiply each of them by 2. I have 2 times 1, 2. 2 times root 2 over 2 is root 2. 2 times 2 down here is 4. We know that 4 is a perfect square, so square root of 4 is 2. Why this has no perfect square root, so 2 minus root 2. Which is, looking at the option, I think that's option C. So that's it, very tricky. Thank you.